welcome to Gia Organics. Today I'm going to make a healthy lunch. For that, I'm going to use cabbage. I will already grate it. This is cabbage. Grated carrot. I use 1 carrot. And here I have onion, parsley, and cilantro. I have 1 clove of garlic. Here I have celery and asparagus. Asparagus is good for people who have a prostate. Okay, so I'm going to mix them. Pepper, black pepper. Special spice that I will show you how I made it. You have ginger. You have onion also in it. No cumin, coriander. I have 4 eggs. It's 4 eggs. Mix it together. We have salt, pepper in it. Eggs is for $3.